Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Facebook lead ads leads to Clenty as prospects. Let's suppose I'm running a business to business company and offering softwares to various other companies. And to promote this, I have started running advertisement on Facebook lead ads. Now I want that whenever someone submits the form or the new lead is generated, it is sent to Clenty and the prospect is created automatically. I can do this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between Facebook lead ads and Clenty. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is triggers and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Facebook lead ads where the new lead will be generated, and in my action application, I will take Clenty where the prospect will be created automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook lead ads lead to Clenty as prospect. For this, we are going to create automation between Facebook lead ads and Clenty with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on create workflow. And now it's asking for the workflow name. So let's name this as how to add Facebook lead ads leads to Clenty as prospects. And now we need to select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created, and I want to select Facebook lead automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, we want to add Facebook lead ads leads to Clenty as prospects, which means whenever a lead will be generated through Facebook, this workflow will get triggered. So our trigger application will be Facebook lead ads, and the trigger event will be new lead instant. Click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save, but if you don't have one, click on add new connection, connect with Facebook lead ads. And now it didn't ask me for the login or the permission because I have already logged in my Facebook account multiple times. So Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now we need to enter these details. So to enter these details, let me take you to my Facebook account. This is my Facebook account, and this is the page that I have created by the name InnovaTech. I want to promote all my ads with the help of this page. So let's go back to Pabbly, and from over here, select the page as InnovaTech. Next, we need to select lead gen form. So this is the same form which we'll be running in Facebook. So for that, we need to go to Meta for Developers. This is the app dashboard of Meta for Developers, and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. Here you can see all the options, and you need to click on more, click on tools. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see lead ads RTO debug tool. You have to click over here. And lead ads testing tool has appeared in front of us. From here, we need to select the page and the form. So the name of the page was InnovaTech, and the form was lead ads form. But before opening or submitting the form, we first need to delete the lead and refresh the page. Now from here, we need to select our page, which was InnovaTech, and the form, which was lead ads form. Now click on preview form. So this is the lead ads form of InnovaTech. This is how it looks like. It has first name, last name, email address and phone number. So let's go back to Pabbly, and from over here select the form as lead ads form and simply click on Save and Send Test Request. Now over here you can see waiting for the webhook response, which means we need to submit the form so as to get the response over here. So let's go back to Lead Ads Form Testing tool and here enter some dummy details. So let's say my first name is Smart, my last name is User 22, my email address is smart22@pablitudes.com and my phone number is, click on Continue, click on Submit. So we have successfully submitted the form and now we need to go back to our Pabbly account and check whether we have received this response or not. So let's go back to Pabbly and over here we can see we have successfully received the response. The first name was Smart, the last name was User22, email address was smart22@pablitudes.com, the phone number was this. So we have connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect and now we need to move to our next step, which is action step. So over here we want to create prospects in Clenty from Facebook lead ads. So our action application will be Clenty and our action event will be add prospect. Click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save, but if you don't have one, click on add new connection and over here you need to enter the API key and the username. So it's written over here, enter your API key, log into your Clenty account, get your API key from settings, integrations, API. So let's go to our Clenty account. So this is our Clenty account and from over here we need to go to settings and then integrations and click on API. So over here we can see personal API key and company API key. We want to generate personal API key, for which we need to click on generate key and simply need to copy this and paste it over here. Now we need to enter the username. So my username is, now we simply need to click on save and Clenty is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we need to enter these details and to enter these details I am going to use a process called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response in my Facebook lead ads. So here I'll simply click on Facebook lead ads and map the first name as Smart. I do not have the middle name, so I'll simply skip this one and map and enter my last name as User22. Next, I'll map the email address as smart22@pablitudes.com and the phone number as this one. So mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. So I am leaving these fields blank as it is not required one. But if you have these in your form, you can enter using the same process. Now you simply need to click on Save and Send Test Request. So over here we can see we have received the response. So let's go back to Clenty and check whether this subscriber has been created or not. So this is the app dashboard and over here you can see all the options. Here you need to click on this third option where prospects is written. And we can see we have successfully created Smart User22 as prospect. Let's open this. And these are the same details which we have entered. First name was Smart, last name was User22, email address was smart22@pablitudes.com and the phone number was this. So as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's go back to our leads ads testing tool and from over here, let's submit another form. First, delete the lead and refresh the page. Our page was InnovaTech and the form was lead ads form. Now click on preview form and let's enter some dummy details over here. So let's say my first name is current test and my last name is user. My email address is currenttest@pablitudes.com and my phone number is, click on continue and click on submit. So we have successfully submitted this form. Now let's go back to Clenty and check whether this recent data has been added as prospect or not. So over here, let's refresh the page once. And we can see we have instantly created current test user as prospect. Let's open this. And all the details are same which we have entered in our form. The first name was current test, last name was user, email address was currenttest@pablitudes.com, and the phone number was this. So to summarize this, we took Facebook lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection of Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. We selected our page with the help of which we are going to run the forms, and we selected our form. We submitted the form and get the response over here, after which we selected our action application as Clenty, where we made connection of Pabbly Connect and Clenty, and after that enter all these details with the help of mapping. We simply clicked on save and send test request and received the response as a new prospect in our Clenty account. So we have successfully created automation between Facebook lead ads and Clenty with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.